This tutorial is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your website on demand. And don't forget, subscribe for more tutorials.
How to create custom menu in WordPress. So to do so, navigate to your WordPress, make sure you're logged in, and go to the dashboard. Inside of dashboard, navigate to appearances and go to menus. And here in menus, you can adjust how your navigation bar looks like. So right now, my navigation bar says projects, blog, contact, and about. So you can see here it is. So if you want, let's say, blog to be a submenu of project, then you can just drag it to the right. And now blog will be under project. So click Save Menu. And when you reload the page, you'll see that under projects is blog, just like how under projects is blog. So I'll put this back and click Save Menu. Now if you want to create a new menu, what you can do is click Create a New Menu. And here I will name this as Menu 2 and click Create Menu. So in Menu 2, you can drag what you want to Menu 2. So let's say in Menu 2, I only want the contacts page. So if that's the case, I select contact page and then I click Add to Menu. So this is Menu 2. So up here in Select a Menu to edit, you can see that there's Menu 1 and Menu 2. Right now, the web page is set to show Menu 1. If you want the web page to show Menu 2, what you do is over here where it says Display Location, on Menu 2, you can click Primary to change the default menu, like the menu that is showing, from Menu 1 to Menu 2, and click Save. So now you see that Menu 2 is set to primary, and if you reload the page, now Menu 2 is showing, right? So it only says contacts. If you want to switch back to Menu 1, now this is how you switch back to Menu 1. If you want to set Menu 1 back to primary, then you just click you check the primary checkbox, click Save Menu, and when you reload the page, now Menu 1 is showed. So that's how you create a custom menu in WordPress.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, please subscribe. And if you need extra help, visit AskQuesty.com and send us your questions.